This is a billion-yuan industry leader. Since its founding in 1985, it has grown into China's top player in household tissue and maternal and infant hygiene products. China's first winged sanitary pad was developed and manufactured by this very company. Its subsidiaries produce tissue products used in millions of households across China. In its highly automated and precise production process, compressed air plays an essential role during pulp transportation and forming. Compressed air drives, pneumatic valves, and actuators, accurately controlling the pulp proportion, conveying, and dehydration and forming process of the high-speed paper machines. These directly affect the uniformity and weight of the paper. In the drying section, high pressure, clean, and stable hot air is the core of premium tissue drying. The stability of flow and pressure directly impact drying efficiency and product softness, bulkiness. A large number of automated devices, such as robotic arms, positioning units, and sealing machines, all rely on compressed air to operate. Its stability ensures the efficient and reliable operation of high-speed production lines and sealing quality in final packaging. Therefore, implementing high-precision, real-time monitoring of the compressed air system is of great strategic importance to the company. Facing digitalization and smart upgrades, Comate conducted in-depth on-site analysis of the production facilities, considering the complex pipe networks, multiple compressor rooms, and dozens of air compressors. Comate customized a monitoring solution. At critical nodes, VFM6 OMV, vortex flow meters were deployed. Its wide turn-down ratio and anti-vibration performance, suitable for stable measurements at main pipeline of air compressors. At points requiring specific installation conditions, PTF 570 differential pressure meters were used to provide accurate and reliable data. At the same time, all instrument data is seamlessly integrated into the company's energy management platform, enabling full visibility and precise management of the compressed air system. Thanks to their outstanding accuracy, robust environmental adaptability, and long-term stability, Comate flow meters deliver excellent performance across the company's diverse compressed air applications, empowering every promise of cleanliness, softness, and health with a foundation of precision and reliability.